fellow vapers, welcome to the Freeton vaping world. Today we are excited to introduce the Moji disposable vape, a game changer in the vaping world. This sleek retro-inspired device is designed to take your vaping experience to a whole new level. Let's dive into what makes the Moji so special. First, let's kick things off with the packaging. As you can see, the box is sleek and modern, with the Moji displayed on the front. Right there in bold text, you got 55,000 puffs. You'll also spot key features like 8-level ice and nic control, interactive mode sync, dual mesh coils, and the stunning 1.77-inch TFT HD screen. On the side and back of the packaging, you'll find more details, everything you need to know about the Moji's unique features. And of course, you got all the safety warnings clearly labeled as well. Alright, time to open it up. Rip the plastic bag open, and there it is, the Moji. Let's take it out and get a closer look. First impressions are impressive. This retro-inspired design gives off major nostalgic elements with interactive emoji screen, creating a timeless yet playful vibe. The finish is not only stylish but feels incredibly smooth and sturdy in your hand. It's built for both comfort and durability, with a subtle texture that adds to its premium feel. Check out that 1.77-inch TFT HD screen. The screen updates in real time, showing you everything you need: e-juice levels, battery status, ice levels, and nicotine modes. And if you want to get a little fun, a simple press of the button switches to emoji display, bringing a whole new interactive vibe to your vape. Now for the fun part, each puff triggers dynamic animations that sync perfectly with your vaping flow. You'll see vibrant, playful visuals every time you inhale and exhale. And when the device is in standby mode, it surprises you with random animations with every type, keeping things fresh and exciting. One of the coolest features is the 8-level nicotine and ice control mode. You've got complete flexibility to make every puff your own, and adjust the settings for intensity and coolness to create your perfect blend. It's like having full control over your vaping experience. Moji has 10 flavors: cool mint, watermelon ice, blue rice ice, juicy peach ice, soy apple ice, strawberry mango, soy strawberry dragon fruit, blueberry watermelon, pink lemonade, white gummy ice. As for the specifications, the 850 mAh battery keeps you going strong for those 55,000 puffs, and with Type-C charging, you get quick and easy recharges. It's a reliable, long-lasting device that's perfectly for daily use. Powered by Freeton's MDLI technology, the dual mesh coils heat up quickly and deliver smooth, consistent flavor with every puff. So there you have it. The Moji is more than just a vape. It's a tech-packed, fun-filled device that gives you ultimate control over your experience. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our product today. Comment below if you have any thoughts to share with us. Also, you can subscribe us for more high-quality vapes to come. Remember, enjoy freedom, enjoy Freeton.